Anna wakes up early on Sunday morning. She feels excited because Sunday is market day. The sun shines through her window, filling the room with warm light. Anna wonders if today will be different at the market. She puts on her favorite hat and grabs her colorful bag. She loves the walk to the market. It is a short walk, but Anna enjoys it. The air is fresh and the birds sing in the trees. When Anna arrives, the market is busy, people talk, and the sound of laughter fills the air. Anna smiles and starts to explore. She sees her favorite fruit stand. The bright red apples look delicious. She takes a deep breath and smells the fresh oranges. Anna decides to buy some. She puts them in her bag. As she walks, she sees a new stall. It is not there every week. Curious, she walks closer. The stall is full of beautiful plants and flowers. A friendly woman stands behind the table. She smiles at Anna. "Good morning," the woman says. "Would you like to look at my flowers?" Anna nods. She loves flowers. There are roses, daisies, and sunflowers. The colors are bright and beautiful. Anna sees a small plant with purple flowers. "What is this?" Anna asks the woman. "It is a lavender plant," the woman replies. "Lavender smells nice and helps you relax." Anna picks up the plant. She feels calm and happy. "I will take this," she says with a smile. The woman wraps the plant carefully. Anna pays for it and thanks the woman. As Anna walks home, she feels peaceful. She thinks about where to put her new plant, maybe in her room or by the window. She knows the lavender will make her home smell nice. Anna reaches home and finds the perfect spot for the plant. She smiles and breathes in the sweet scent. It is a simple gift, but brings her joy. Anna sits by the window, looking at her new flower. She feels grateful for the small surprises in life. Today, the market was different after all, and that makes Anna very happy. She closes her eyes, feeling the warmth of the sun. It is a perfect end to a lovely market day.